Hi, here is my third assignment for season 3. You can see here my code. The program is made to add up numbers entered by the user and then count how many numbers were entered and calculate the average of those numbers. How it works: the user is asked to enter several numbers separated by spaces, and then the program checks if all input are valid numbers. Then it calculates the total sum of the numbers and then the number of elements entered and the average of the numbers. If the input is empty or contains something that is not a number, the program will show an error message. Okay, now let's try running the program. I will start to run, and does it works? Okay, I will enter number and yeah, it works perfectly. Thank you.